Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify image optimization using TinyPNG or Shopify app step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the TinyPNG website. Once on the home page, locate the upload area. Drag and drop your images into the specified area or click to upload. Observe the compression process as TinyPNG analyzes your images. After the optimization is complete, you will see a download button for each optimized image. Download the compressed images to your device. Next, if you are using Shopify, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. In the dashboard, go to the Apps section located on the left sidebar. Search for and select an image optimization app. If you have not installed an app yet, you may need to visit the Shopify App Store and find a suitable image optimization app. Install the app by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, return to your Shopify admin. Open the image optimization app from your apps list. Upload the necessary images for optimization within the app interface. Allow the app to process the images, which may take a few moments. Once complete, review the details of the optimized images within the app. Consider checking the before and after comparison if the app offers that feature. If satisfied with the results, save any changes and ensure the optimized images are linked to your store. Finally, test your website to confirm that the optimized images are loading correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.